What is the best protein for weight loss?
When it comes to weight loss, protein is an essential nutrient that can help you achieve your goals. Protein takes more energy to digest than carbohydrates or fat, which can help increase your metabolism and burn more calories. Additionally, protein helps to build and repair muscle tissue, which is important for overall health and weight management. But with so many types of protein available, it can be overwhelming to choose the best one for weight loss. In this video, we'll explore the best protein sources for weight loss and provide tips on how to incorporate them into your diet. Why protein is important for weight loss. Protein is an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in weight loss. Here are some reasons why. Increases metabolism. Protein takes more energy to digest than carbohydrates or fat, which can help increase your metabolism and burn more calories. Builds and repairs muscle. Protein helps to build and repair muscle tissue, which is important for overall health and weight management. Reduces hunger. Protein can help reduce hunger and increase feelings of fullness, making it easier to stick to a weight loss diet. Supports healthy weight loss. Protein can help support healthy weight loss by promoting the loss of body fat while preserving muscle mass. The best protein sources for weight loss. Here are some of the best protein sources for weight loss. Lean meats, chicken breast, turkey breast, and lean beef are all high in protein and low in fat, making them ideal for weight loss. Fish and seafood. Fatty fish like salmon and tuna are high in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and support weight loss. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of protein and are low in calories, making them a great addition to a weight loss diet. Legumes. Legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are high in protein and fiber, making them a great choice for weight loss. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in protein and can help support weight loss by reducing hunger and increasing feelings of fullness. Whey protein. Whey protein is a fast-digesting protein that can help support muscle growth and repair, making it a great choice for weight loss. Plant-based protein powders. Plant-based protein powders like pea protein and rice protein are great alternatives to whey protein and can be just as effective for weight loss. Tips for incorporating protein into your diet. Here are some tips for incorporating protein into your diet. Eat protein at every meal. Aim to eat protein at every meal to help support weight loss and muscle growth. Choose lean protein sources. Choose lean protein sources like chicken breast and fish to reduce your intake of saturated fat. Incorporate plant-based protein sources. Incorporate plant-based protein sources like legumes and tofu into your diet to reduce your intake of animal products. Use protein powder as a supplement. Use protein powder as a supplement to help increase your protein intake and support weight loss. Aim for 1 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Aim to eat 1 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day to support weight loss and muscle growth. In conclusion, protein is an essential nutrient that can help support weight loss and overall health. By incorporating lean protein sources like chicken breast and fish into your diet and using protein powder as a supplement, you can help increase your protein intake and support weight loss. Remember to aim for 1 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day and to eat protein at every meal to help support weight loss and muscle growth.